In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ConvertKit newsletter feature effectively to reach your audience and build that essential connection. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right in. When it comes to email marketing, having the right tools can make a world of difference, and ConvertKit does an outstanding job in that department. The newsletter feature, in particular, is a fantastic way to keep your subscribers engaged with your content. So let's break this down into manageable steps. First things first, if you haven't already set up your ConvertKit account, go ahead and do that. It's a straightforward process. Once your account is ready, log in and let's navigate to the newsletters section. You'll find this in the main navigation menu. Click on it and you'll be taken to the newsletter dashboard. Here, you can see all your previous newsletters if you've sent any. The interface is user-friendly, which is a bonus. To start a new newsletter, look for the button that says Create Newsletter. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new page where the real fun begins. On the new page, you'll see an option to choose a name for your newsletter. This doesn't have to be overly complicated, just something that resonates with you and your audience. This name will help you identify the newsletter later, so take a moment to think it through. Next, you'll see a section for the subject line. This is crucial because the subject line is what your subscribers will see first in their inbox. It should be enticing, yet clear about what to expect in the newsletter. Think about questions you can ask or unique tips you can share. The goal here is to grab their attention. Once you've nailed down your subject line, it's time to dive into the content. The editor you'll be using is similar to many text editing tools you might have seen before. You can type directly into the area provided, or if you prefer, copy and paste your content from another source. If you plan to include images, drag and drop them right into the editor. It's that simple. While you're crafting your newsletter, keep your audience in mind. What are they interested in? What challenges are they facing? Tailor the content to address their needs, and remember to keep your tone conversational. The more relatable you sound, the more your subscribers will appreciate your message. In addition to regular updates or tips, think about adding a personal touch. Share a quick story, an insight, or an experience related to the content. This not only keeps your newsletter engaging, but also allows your subscribers to connect with you on a more personal level. Now let's talk about links. If you have a blog post, a video, or a product you want to promote, make sure to include those links in your newsletter. Always provide value in what you link to. Avoid just linking anything for the sake of it. The idea is to enhance what you're offering to the reader. After you're happy with the content, it's time to review your newsletter. Always double-check for any grammatical errors, broken links, or awkward phrasing. It's like putting the finishing touches on a piece of art. You want it to shine. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied, it's time to select your recipients. You can choose all your subscribers or target a specific segment if you have multiple groups in your audience. This feature makes it really easy to personalize your communications. Finally, you'll want to schedule your newsletter. You can send it right away, or if you prefer, select a specific date and time for it to go out. Scheduling can be beneficial because it allows you to reach your audience when they're most likely to engage. And there you have it. You've just navigated through creating and sending a newsletter using ConvertKit. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see what amazing newsletters you come up with.